So you've got an awesome objective. One that's just so juicy that it's gotta go in the scorecard. Only problem? Your quarter's already in do mode, and you really don't want it to be an unplanned objective. So what do? Well, that's easy. You go into the future, of course. I know it sounds a little harder than it actually is, but all you need is the Future Objectives page. To find it, click on Tools in the top of the banner. Once the drop-down menu appears, click Future Objectives. Now that you're in here, all you have to do to actually put the objectives in is click the blue Add button. With the Future Objectives page, all you can add to it is the name of the objective in itself. You'll have to wait to fully fill it out until it enters a scorecard. To put it back into the next scorecard, click the drop-down menu right next to the scorecard name, where it tells you what quarter you're in. Now just move it to the next quarter. For where we're at in the year, this would be quarter 4. Now that we're in quarter 4, all you have to do is check the boxes of each objective that you'd like to move over, and as soon as you do, click the Move to Current Scorecard button right next to the Add button. Well, here we have it. Proof of time travel. But of course, movies did get it wrong. You don't need 1.21 gigawatts traveling at 88 miles an hour.
Great Scott!
And you definitely don't need a phone booth from space.
What?
Start planning the future today. MyObjectives.com